Ready to do some serious cutting? Introducing the new 18-volt X2 cordless 12-inch chainsaw, powered by two 18-volt LXT lithium-ion batteries, so you get the power and runtime of 36-volt without leaving the 18-volt platform. The 18-volt X2 chainsaw features a 12-inch guide bar and plenty of chain speed for cutting and trimming. You get performance, but you also get 40% less noise than a traditional gas unit. And get this, zero emissions. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with star protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by two fast-charging LXT batteries. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.